We are a Danish-Polish company with a sales department in Denmark and branch offices in Poland, Norway, United Kingdom, USA, and Germany. The team behind Epcido is composed of a select group of experienced professionals with experiences from several areas of mechanical and electrical installations, project management, and execution. We are a reliable company and a recognized installation contractor with an established market position. We have more than 300 experienced employees in our offices and on projects. Since 2016, we have carried out a vast number of projects installing large automated systems of distribution centers for customers in both Europe and the USA. On a project basis, our technicians and project managers build complex, fully automated storage systems. Since 2021, we are a part of the Danish technology group Eltronic Group. We exist to help our clients bring their logistics solutions to life. We carry out logistic solutions in the industry, and our expertise can be found within the following fields: mechanical and electrical installations, upgrade and modification, relocation service, automation, service and maintenance, and commissioning. The team you need. Epcido's employees are a team of highly skilled specialists in the installation and construction of logistic solutions. We have a long list of projects behind us and thereof extensive experience. We do not hesitate to call ourselves specialists and experts within our field. Therefore, when choosing us to carry out your next logistical solution, you can be sure that it will be done perfectly and always according to the plan.